5 ways to try and reduce your debts and outgoings. Managing debts and outgoings is a crucial aspect of maintaining financial stability and building a secure future. Whether you are dealing with loans, credit card debt, or everyday expenses, implementing effective strategies can make a significant difference. Here are 5 practical ways to reduce your debts and outgoings. Why should I reduce my outgoings in terms of debts? Reducing your outgoings, particularly in terms of debts, is a prudent financial strategy that offers several compelling benefits. Here are key reasons why you should consider minimizing your outgoings related to debts. 1. Financial stability. Lowering your debt outgoings contributes to overall financial stability. By reducing the burden of debt payments, you create more room in your budget to cover essential expenses, build an emergency fund, and save for future goals. Financial stability provides a sense of security and allows you to navigate unexpected challenges with greater ease. 2. Debt repayment efficiency. When you allocate more funds towards repaying your debts, you expedite the debt repayment process. This can lead to quicker clearance of high-interest debts and, subsequently, reduce the overall amount paid over time. Paying down debts efficiently frees up financial resources for other priorities, such as savings or investments. 3. Improved credit score. A lower debt burden positively influences your credit score. Timely payments and effective debt management contribute to a healthier credit profile. A good credit score opens doors to better borrowing opportunities in the future, such as lower interest rates on loans or credit cards, which can save you money over the long term. 4. Reduced stress and anxiety. Financial stress is a common byproduct of high levels of debt. Reducing your outgoings in terms of debts alleviates this stress, providing a sense of relief and peace of mind. As you regain control over your financial situation, you can focus on achieving your financial goals and enjoy a better quality of life. 5. Increased flexibility. Lower debt outgoings offer increased flexibility in managing your finances. You have the freedom to redirect funds towards essential needs, personal development, or opportunities that may arise. This flexibility empowers you to make strategic financial decisions that align with your goals and aspirations. 6. Interest savings. High-interest debts can accumulate substantial interest over time. By reducing your outgoings on high-interest debts, you save money that would otherwise be spent on interest payments. This saved amount can be redirected towards achieving financial milestones or enhancing your overall financial well-being. 7. Opportunity for investments. Once you've reduced your debt outgoings, you have the opportunity to allocate funds towards investments. Whether it's contributing to retirement accounts, building an investment portfolio, or pursuing other wealth-building strategies, having additional financial resources opens doors to opportunities for long-term financial growth. Check out the 5 ways to reduce your debts and outgoings. 1. Create a detailed budget. Start by creating a comprehensive budget that outlines your monthly income and all your expenses. Categorize your spending into fixed costs, like rent or mortgage, utilities, and variable costs, such as groceries, entertainment. Having a clear understanding of where your money is going enables you to identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more funds toward debt repayment. 2. Prioritize high-interest debts. If you have multiple debts, prioritize those with the highest interest rates. High-interest debts accumulate faster and can become a significant financial burden. By focusing on paying off these debts first, you can save money in the long run. Allocate additional funds to the high-interest debt while making minimum payments on others. Once the high-interest debts are cleared, redirect those funds to tackle the next priority. 3. Negotiate interest rates and terms. Don't hesitate to contact your creditors and negotiate better terms, especially if you've been a responsible borrower. Some creditors may be willing to lower interest rates or provide more favorable repayment terms. Exploring these options can make debt repayment more manageable. Additionally, consider consolidating high-interest debts into a lower-interest loan to streamline payments. 4. Cut unnecessary expenses. Conduct a thorough review of your monthly expenditures and identify areas where you can cut back. This might involve canceling subscription services you don't use, cooking at home instead of dining out, or finding more cost-effective alternatives for certain purchases. Small adjustments can add up, freeing up money to put towards debt repayment. 5. Generate additional income. Supplementing your primary income with additional sources can accelerate your debt repayment journey. Look for opportunities to earn extra income, such as freelancing, part-time work, or pursuing a side business. Devote the additional earnings directly to debt reduction to expedite the process. This not only helps clear debts faster but also provides a financial cushion for future endeavors. Conclusion. Reducing debts and outgoings requires a combination of disciplined budgeting, strategic planning, and a proactive approach to financial management. By creating a realistic budget, prioritizing high-interest debts, negotiating terms with creditors, cutting unnecessary expenses, and seeking additional income streams, you can take control of your financial situation. Remember, the key is to be consistent and patient as you work towards achieving a healthier financial position. Implementing these strategies will not only alleviate current financial stress but also pave the way for a more secure and prosperous future.